guys, Aaron from UAVISUALS, and I'm here at Winton Raceway. You can hear the screeching behind me, doing lots of skids and eating lots of flies. This video is about two guys, Jeremy and Michael, co-founders of Battleist. Now, Battleist is a tech startup in the motorsport industry, specifically drifting. So in a nutshell, just tell us what Battleist is and what this new product is that you're about to launch.
So Battleist, we've been in the automotive motorsport tech space for 3 years. We're developing our initial product. It's called Driftbit. We're at the second version of that. So we describe it as a Fitbit for motorsports and drifting, and enables you to see what you're doing on track so you can go out next time and drive better. So it's an analytical tool to improve your performance on track.
So how does it work?
So the device captures GPS in different ways using some interesting new technology. By triangulation and some interesting arithmetic, we're able to derive heading and direction. There's a box. It has two antennas that you place on your car, and then that box will talk to your phone and transmit its data, so you can analyze it after you've been out on track. So you can go out on track, do a couple of laps, come back in, see how you've gone, see where your car needs to be tweaked or how your driving needs to tweak. You go out and do it again and check your data and see if you've improved.
That's awesome. And when will this be released?
Q1 of 2020. So we're doing a private pilot launch. We're only releasing 100 units to essentially our friends in the industry. So if anyone wants to be one of those hundreds, they should get in touch with us.
Yeah. How can they get in touch?
Head to battleist.com, BATTLEIST.com. If you go to our website, there's a little box where you can put in your email address, pop that in, and we'll go from there.
Sick! Hey, buddy. So this is the other co-founder of Battleist. How long have you been doing it for?
Maybe like 4 or 5 years ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So today was more testing?
I was testing both cars on the track at the same time. You can test things like proximity between cars based on the GPS coordinates, angle, and basically to analyze that against video footage to kind of have a visual indicator of how accurate it is.
Cool, man. Awesome. Good luck with it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's it from me. Make sure you go check them out, battleist.com. I'm getting out of here, there's too many bloody flies around. See you guys, peace.